Alright everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you a great way to restream basically. So if you're like me, you enjoy streaming, this video is for you. This video was made for people who stream. But just so you know, this platform offers multi-streaming or restreaming to almost everyone and anyone. Whether you stream games or you do live streams or you do vlogging, IRL, traveling, whatever you do, you can do that through here. Um, this website is called YOLO Live or YOLO Live. I already have an account, so you can create yours and log in with one. They have a lot of options and cool things like automated scheduling, multi-streaming, which is what I want to do. They allow you to cut and trim from your broadcast to make your own like editing and highlighting. You get to see like an analytic like the dashboards you have on other streaming platforms, and you can embed the stream to your website if you have one, for example. You log in, you have your account, you can get 14 days free trial to try it out, by the way. Then you can have a feel of how the platform is before committing. You get into here, basically I'll be showing you what to do as a streamer. For example, I stream on Twitch, I stream gaming, and I use OBS as a software for streaming. So you get here, you add your source. We're gonna call it streaming, so you know what this one is for. Once you create a source name, it can be whatever you want, just so you don't forget what that is for. You will get an RTMP URL and a stream key. Those two you can copy and paste into your OBS. I assume if you're already streaming, then you already have basic knowledge of OBS and everything else around it. After you have that, you can click on it. I'm gonna obviously delete this, but this is just like for educational purposes. So you have the URL and you have the stream key. You add those in your OBS, and then you click on destination to the left. I'm gonna try to make this video as short as possible because I know people hate long videos. I'm gonna make it as short as possible and as helpful as possible. Go to destinations, you click a platform. I, for example, stream on Twitch. I add my Twitch, I authorize it, boom, Twitch's here. I also want to stream on YouTube, boom, binding, choose my YouTube, continue, allow, boom. Wait, failed? Oh, I didn't, my bad. I didn't click the other checkbox. Make sure you click both checkboxes and then you continue. And there you go. And if you have other platforms that are not here yet, I'm pretty sure they'll eventually add more, but you can click on RTMP, get your username and put their own server URL and stream key if you have. And if there is authentication, you can use that. So you can put your own custom stuff here to connect to other platforms that are here. So I game and I want to stream to both YouTube and Twitch to grow my audience. We do that, right? Now we're connected, linked. You go to your stream, this one here. You want to start streaming. After you obviously add those to your OBS, create an event, and you go live, for example. I don't know if so let's say playing Valorant, right? I like to play Valorant, so it's offline right now. You say I want to play Valorant. That's the title. Playing Valorant. You click on it, and this is your dashboard in a way. Again, you can find this here. Obviously, I'm gonna delete this. This is just for educational purposes, so nobody can connect anyways. Here you have the URL again if you want to use the server URL and the stream key, both here. You can add the platforms that you want to go live to. So both of those I want to go live to. There you go. You can on and off them if you have more than that. You can, after you're done, you can do like generating captions, or like editing and highlighting, trimming, all can be done through this dashboard. You'll also see like real-time information like your bitrate, average bitrate, frame rate, average frame rate, views and peak, and all that good stuff. You can also see your analytics here live and recorded. You can have overlay a video, for example, if you have partners or advertisers and you want to have them somewhere, you can do that. It's really that simple, really. It's pretty much it. You go live, you have bandwidth, so you can say like how many viewers will be watching. I have around 20 to 30, so let's go on the high end and say 40 viewers. I don't know how many. Let's say I'm gonna stream for like a few hours, so let's say I'm gonna stream for like 5 hours, for example. 60 by 5, how much is that? God damn it. Say I'm gonna stream. Say I'm gonna stream 10 hours. Then you're gonna need 600 gigabytes. You have 2 terabytes here. Good to go. You can enable donation through Ko-fi or other sites if you have. That's up to you. There's a lot to do basically here. You can embed it right away. You can share your link through YOLO if you want to use it. Play around with branding if you want to have your own logo somewhere. Usually don't like those. I personally rather turn off everything. Just keep it fresh and clean. You can add a backup stream if your stream goes off, for example. I usually don't do that. I just pray that it doesn't go off. But this was a very quick video. You click go live and boom, you're done. I'm not gonna go live right now because I'm not intending to go live right now. They also have other stuff like 24/7 stream if you wanna do that. Still in beta, but it's also possible to do. And there's a lot of cool stuff here, like their YoloCast. You can add a video and do some your editing. A lot of cool stuff, overlays that you can use, third-party GFX, and a lot of stuff here basically that you can use. If you want any. Yeah. They also have devices that you can buy if you're into that. And oops, it just happened. No idea. Anyways, yeah, that's fine. But that was a really quick, short demonstration of how you can use this website to stream to multiple places and grow your audience. If you would like specific tutorials or in-depth tutorial, something that's more in-depth, this was a quick video, I would say. They also have a section for their own videos. But I'm making videos for people like me who are into gaming and streaming and would like to grow their audience while streaming on Twitch and other platforms at the same time as well. So this is one option. Feel free to give it a shot. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, ideas for another video, feel free to drop it down in the comment box and I'll see if I can do it at some point. Best of luck, and I hope you give this a shot and let me know how it goes. See you next video. Peace out.